Hello children! Today we're going to learn the letter I. There are two kinds of sounds of letter I, the short sound and the long sound. The short sound is E, and the long sound is I. Remember the two sounds, E and I. These are the short sound E. E, ink, ink. E, eel, eel. Ink, eel. E, igloo, igloo. E, insect, insect. Igloo, insect. E, iguana, iguana. E, infant, infant. Iguana, infant. E, inside, inside. E, injection, injection. Inside, injection. E, India, India. E, image, image. India, image. E, Indian, Indian. E, inbox, inbox. Indian, inbox. These are the long sound I, ice, ice. I, ivy, ivy. Ice, ivy. I, island, island. I, ice cream, ice cream. Island, ice cream. I, icebox, icebox. I, iceberg, iceberg. Icebox, iceberg. I, iron, iron. I, idea, idea. Iron, idea. I, ice cube, ice cube. I, ice skate, ice skate. Ice cube, ice skate. Now children, I want you to read by yourself. Are you ready? Good job! Good job, children!